Krishna here, so I'm back with another video. This video is going to be a drugstore makeup haul plus high-end. If you guys are interested, please keep on watching. The first product that I'm going to show you guys is this Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara from Maybelline. And the shade is in Very Black. This is waterproof, guys. Looks something like this. And it is for 199 pesos. The next is NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade Light. It looks something like this. Itong NYX Wonder Pencil, nakikita ko lang sa ibang YouTubers. They use it sa mga pimples, to highlight. This Wonder Pencil, kaya siya tinawag na Wonder Pencil, is you can use it anywhere. Like highlighting the brow bone, your nose, cupid's bow, sa waterline. Tsaka, minsan, ginagamit siya as eyeshadow base. It is for 300 pesos. The next product that I'm going to show you guys is this NYX Slim Eye Pencil in Brown. It is for 230 pesos. It looks something like this. Ayan. The next one naman is the Maybelline Hyper Sharp Liner in Black. Pag inopen mo, ayan. Yan siya. Yan. Asensya na messy yung mga swatches ko. Pero, kita nyo naman, diba? And the next naman is the Essence I Love Stage Eyeshadow Base in the shade. May shade ba ito? And swatch natin. Yan siya. Eyeshadow base or eyeshadow primer is for 229 pesos. The Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipsticks. Yan. I've got 2 shades with me. Actually, nung pumunta ako sa Maybelline counter, nakita ko tong shade na to. Yan. It's called All Fired Up. And medyo na-intriga ako because sa MAC, meron ding All Fired Up in their matte finish na lipsticks. Kaya, pinili ko siya. So, pag inopen nyo, yan yung shade niya. Sa swatch ko. Kaya ko siya binili kasi i-compare ko siya doon sa MAC na lipstick na meron ako. Actually, siya yung nasa lips ko ngayon. Currently loving it. Its texture is creamy and the finish is matte. Kaya siya creamy matte. This next naman is, I was swatching sa stall nila. And the next shade na gusto ko talaga nung nag-swatch ako is this Mesmerizing Magenta. It looks something like this. Kaya ko siya kinuha kasi unang-una, dark siya. Ang dark kasi ang tendency katulad nito, yung nasa lips ko, hindi masyadong kita na nagcha-chop or dry yung lips ko. So, ayan, kinuha ko siya. Nagustuhan ko yung shade. And may pangatlong shade pa ako na gustong kunin sana. Kaya lang, yung tester nila is wala na, ubos na. Pero, sa likod ng tester, merong isang lipstick na lang under sa shade nun, which is Touch of Spice. Hindi ko sure kasi gusto ko sanang kunin kasi sinabi sa akin yung sales lady, bestseller nila. Naniniwala nga akong bestseller nila kasi isa na lang talaga yung lipstick. Kaya lang, ayoko naman mag-regret na binili ko yun kasi hindi ko nga na-try yung tester. Wala, ubos na. Sabi niya, sige ma'am, kunin niyo na po ganyan. Pero hindi ko pa rin kinuha. Kaya ngayon, I'm regretting. Kaya yun, sayang talaga. As in, baka next time, maybe next time makakuha. Ito namang next product is I'm dying to share it with you guys. Because, na-try ko siya talaga. As in, yung mga products pala kanina na shinare ko sa inyo, siguro, I will try to do a review But maybe in the future, not really anytime soon. Ito talaga, I will definitely review this product. This is the Body Treats Green Tea Nose Pore Strips. Meron siyang 12 strips inside. Ang ganda. As in, legit na legit talaga. I bought this na February 19, I think. February 19 or February 20. Ngayon, ang date ngayon, today is March 11 and eto na lang ang natitira. Ang alam ko, nabawasan ng 2. Ginamit ko sa brother ko. Pero the rest, lahat sa akin. I'm currently getting addicted to this. I've tried yung cream ba, basta liquid something na pangtanggal ng blackheads and whiteheads. Pero, may natatanggal naman, pero konti. Pero ito talaga, I swear. Oo, siguro uulit kayo ng 2 strip. Pero, pag ginamit nyo ng una, kitang, as in, kita nyo talaga na madaming natanggal. So, yun, siguro, soon. Basta, I'll do a review on this. Papadamihin ko muna yung blackheads at whiteheads ko para talaga makita nyo na this is worth buying, guys. I swear. It is for 109 pesos. I got this from Watsons. The first high-end product that I got is this MAC matte lipstick in Kinda Sexy. Alam nyo guys, ito ang pinaka-favorite ko. Since talagang nagka-MAC lipstick ako, ito na yung favorite ko. I've got 13 shades. 13 or 14 shades. I think 13. This is my most favorite lipstick ever. Actually guys, this is a repurchase because the first one, I can find it but malapit nang mahit yung pan. Sobra, as in sobra. Ito favorite ko siya kasi pang everyday ko siyang lipstick. Kasi minsan ang ginagamit ko talaga, madalas ang ginagamit ko lip tint. Pero pag hindi, eto, pahalong-hilan siya nung lip tint. It is MAC Kinda Sexy in a matte finish. This is also our purchase, guys. We went to DTC Makeup last February 20 because I am running out of foundation. As you can see, ang natira na lang is konti nung second to the lightest shade. Medyo madami pa. Tapos yung dalawang pang contour na lang. So, I got myself a new one. Meron siyang 5 na light na shades at saka isang dark shade. This is customized by RCMA for DTC Makeup. So that's it guys, I'm done with the makeup haul. I hope you enjoyed and may your foundation match your neck, your concealer never crease, and your wing eyeliner be sharp enough to kill. Bye!
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Thank you!